did?
Yeah.
What did it say? I didn't hear it. Can you say it again?
Dear Lord, thank you for this day, for Mommy and Daddy and Mommy and Daddy.
What about Owen?
What about Riley?
And Riley?
And Rose. Mommy, Riley, there's a baby on my belly.
What's the baby's name?
I want to push on it.
What's the baby's name?
There's a baby on my belly.
What's the baby's name?
Milo.
Milo?
Yeah.
Do you need to say a prayer for Milo?
No, I didn't see a prayer for Milo.
Does Milo, we need to pray for Milo's heart. Oh, don't fall. Did we pray for Milo's heart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tisa was sad. Miss Tisa was sad.
Miss Tiza was sad today?
No, she's not sad, Mommy.
She was sick, wasn't she?
She went to get some medicine.
And she needs some rest.
Yeah.
And then she feels better.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all she needed.
That's all she needed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going on, Mommy.
Okay, be careful.
My pants have run off.
They are.
Yeah.
Okay.
I pull them up.
You got them?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Oh, please don't kick Mommy.
Pull.
That hurts, okay?
Pulled. Off.
You're silly. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, camera.